Welcome back as we explore these versatile KJGKK low-end tables that transform into a high shelf. You can easily assemble this modern set in minutes without using any professional tools or hardware. The rustic brown and black finish adds a sleek and artistic touch to your modern home. Built with high-density fiberboard and metal, these tables are strong enough for 44 pounds. Their compact dimensions allow them to fit perfectly into tight corners, bedrooms, or your home office. Use these as elegant nightstands or stack them together to build a creative and functional bookshelf. Elevate your interior design with this flexible furniture set that combines style with incredible daily utility. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.